Hi, I'm Dan Ermshire of PuroClean of Southern Indiana. We have been serving the Southern Indiana and Louisville communities since 2005. You're probably here because you need restoration services due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. We're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. You've come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We are confident in what we do because we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family, with compassion and care while still being professional. Call us at the number below for help anytime, any day or night, 24/7, to restore and rescue your property.